kids. As I said, I'll be coloring my center in my next session. So here I am. I am using watercolors. So I have green, red, black and blue. These four colors. So we will essentially be using these four colors to color our center. So let's get started. I'll start with the red color because the maximum part of the center is painted in red color. So we will paint with his dress. Ensure your color doesn't go out. Paint it nicely. Leave this area because this is the furry part of the suit and we will be doing it in white. So leave it like this right now. Just complete with the red portion wherever red is required. So here I am completing the dress of Santa. Only this portion is pending. This is also done now. And the pant of the Santa is also red except the fur part. Then we will do the second coating. Apply color in one direction so it looks nice. No worries, there we have to do the black color, so that can be corrected later. I missed one thing, which is the Santa's cap. So we have to paint Santa's cap also in red. First coat is done. I will be doing the second coat also. Now only this is done. Now I'll use the green color. My Santa has a green color gift bag which he is carrying for us. I'll be doing the green color in his bag. Do it nicely all over. These are the new colors, so it has some oil also. Complete it. Use some water. Spread the color all over. And I'll be doing the second coat of green color. My green color is really new because I've opened a new box of paint. So in watercolor I have some oil. But it's okay. Sorry, it's yes. So this is green color. I've done. Give it nice. Let it dry, and if required, then I will do the rework or I'll give some touch up to this. Now I will use some black color. So my center is wearing black color boots. So I've completed his boots. And another thing which he's having black is his gloves. So I'm making a little circle here, so to give the nice look, nice twinkling look to his gloves. Yeah, oops, something has happened, but no worries, I'll clean it up. No problem, that we will clean it up later. We have to do, and this is, just be careful while using the watercolor. Yeah, I'm painting his belt also black. And his another gloves. They're also giving a nice twinkling red color, black color. This is done. And now what is left? Yeah. So kids, you have not seen. So in my center, I missed making his eyebrows. Any which ways, I'll complete it now. If you guys also have missed out, then make it now. It's very easy. You just have to do it this way, and it's done. Ta-da! Make it a little like give it a proper shape. Yeah. So the nose and the mouth of my center is slightly reddish. I'm leaving it like and the eyes are filled with the black color except the dots part. There we do not have to do any color, we have to leave them as it is. Yeah, just leave it. And we just do some color here. Yeah, just be careful because these are two small dots. Yeah. There's a small thing which I've messed up, which is this. Yeah. My center is almost ready. Just that if additionally you guys wanted to do, you can use some cotton to make his dress look nice. Then I said we still, if you do not want to do it with the cotton, then use little blue color and give it a nice light coloring here, lightly here, randomly, and this is his beard and mustache. You can do slightly, don't do it too much, just to make look that it's white color. Yes, this is done. Give it a slight touch of blue, and here as well. Yeah, do it some here also. Okay, I've like missed red color here as well. Complete it. Yes, this is done. And if in case you have some cotton and some what you call Fevicol at home, so you can use it at these places. One here, here, one here, 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 and here. So for that also I will let you know. But I guess our Santa is looking pretty good in this also. If you want to know, we can just do I'm taking some, so I'm just letting you guys know how you can use cotton. I guess it will be better if we use cotton on his mustache and on one's cap. This will look better. So I'm gonna use it here just to show you how you can use it at home. I have cotton, so I have made a small ball of the cotton like this, and then I placed it here. Yes, like this. And secondly, what will look nice is when you put this on the beard also you can put, and then you can use it on the other white part of the dress also. But I guess my Santa is looking nice without all of it. Just to show I have done this. And guys, we are done. You can have a look. Hello, Merry Christmas.